Our first finalist is Miss Philippines. One down, 4 more to go. Let's begin with Miss Philippines. Good evening, Miss Philippines. I can see that you've got lots of supporters on that side. What would you like to tell them?
Thank you everybody for coming over to Taiwan to support me and celebrate this journey with me. I'll see you all later.
Okay, Miss Philippines. Pick your question and I will read it for you.
用随机听的方式来决定每位嘉宾所拿到的金球奖的题目究竟是什么。
Miss Philippines, here's your question. What does it mean to be a strong, independent woman? Again, what does it mean to be a strong, independent woman?
接下来我会把时间交给各位嘉宾。